Strategies of how to save regularly. Saving regularly is a fundamental financial habit that helps build a financial cushion, prepare for future goals, and provide security in times of unexpected expenses. Here are some strategies to save regularly. Set savings goals. Identify short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment on a home, clear goals provide motivation for regular saving. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. A budget helps you allocate money systematically to various categories, including savings. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a designated savings account. Automation ensures consistency and removes the need for manual deposits. Prioritize emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net in case of unexpected events. Save a percentage of income. Allocate a specific percentage of your income to savings. This approach ensures that as your income increases, your savings also grow proportionally. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify and cut unnecessary expenses from your budget. Redirect the money saved toward your savings goals. Track and limit discretionary spending. Keep track of discretionary spending on non-essential items. Set limits and find ways to reduce discretionary expenses, allowing you to save more. Use windfalls wisely. When you receive unexpected money, such as a tax refund or a bonus, consider allocating a portion of it to savings rather than spending it all. Create a separate savings account. Open a dedicated savings account, separate from your regular checking account. This separation can help prevent easy access to your savings for day-to-day spending. Explore high-interest savings accounts. Consider using high-interest savings accounts to maximize the returns on your savings while keeping your funds easily accessible. Save loose change. Collect loose change and deposit it into your savings account. This small habit can add up over time. Negotiate bills and expenses. Regularly review bills and monthly expenses. Negotiate with service providers to lower bills or find more cost-effective alternatives. Downsize or simplify. Consider downsizing or simplifying your lifestyle to reduce living expenses. Redirect the money saved toward your savings goals. Participate in employer-sponsored plans. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan, such as a 401k, contribute to take advantage of any employer matching contributions. Educate yourself about financial products. Stay informed about financial products, such as certificates of deposit, CDs, money market accounts, and other savings instruments to optimize returns on your savings. Review and adjust savings goals. Periodically review your savings goals and adjust them based on changes in your financial situation or life circumstances. Involve family members. If applicable, involve family members in the saving process. Encourage open communication about financial goals and work together to achieve them. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate milestones and achievements in your savings journey. Recognizing progress can reinforce positive financial habits. Remember, the key to successful regular saving is consistency and discipline. By incorporating these strategies into your financial routine, you can build a strong foundation for financial stability and work towards achieving your short-term and long-term goals.